We're at Holiday Haven in Culburra Beach on the south coast of New South Wales. It's a compact 2-bedroom accessible cabin with a separate bedroom that has bunk beds and an open plan studio style accommodation with a double bed. Glide under kitchen sink, some good circulation space to reverse in if you're a manual wheelchair. There is a ramp for the transition to the tiled bathroom with an open plan shower and very nice long drainage system. There are 2 types of shower chairs. There is grab rails, an adjustable shower nozzle, and the amenities that are within reach. You have a standard toilet and a glide under sink. Threshold, there is a ramp. And enjoy a barbecue as the sun goes down. And be greeted in the morning by this little fella. There is a non-accessible pool, but the splash park is accessible. Holiday Haven is located in Culburra Beach on the south coast of New South Wales. Look with us and book with us and enjoy.